This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the internet without a recharge. We'll explore legitimate and safe ways to get online, focusing on methods that don't require a paid data plan. It's important to understand that, while free internet is accessible, prioritizing your online security is paramount. We'll go over how to identify reliable free Wi-Fi sources and make the most of them, ensuring you stay connected without spending a single penny. Let's dive into the practical steps you can take right now. One of the most common and effective ways to access the internet without a recharge is through public Wi-Fi hotspots. You can find these in numerous locations, including coffee shops, public libraries, airports, and even some retail stores. When connecting, always look for clearly labeled networks. For enhanced security, consider using a virtual private network, or VPN, to encrypt your data. This simple step can protect your personal information from potential threats on open networks, giving you peace of mind while browsing. Beyond commercial hotspots, many cities and communities offer free municipal Wi-Fi as a public service. These networks are often available in parks, downtown areas, and other public spaces, providing broad coverage. Check your local government's website for information on available zones. Additionally, some communities are building mesh networks, where individuals share a small portion of their internet, creating a larger, free network for everyone. These initiatives are fantastic resources for staying connected without any cost, fostering digital inclusion for all. While not strictly internet without recharge, preparing for offline access is a smart strategy. Download essential content like maps, ebooks, and videos when you do have a connection, so you can access them later without data. Some applications also offer limited functionality or cached content even without an active internet connection. In truly critical situations, emergency services or public safety initiatives might provide temporary internet access. These methods ensure you're never completely cut off, even when a free Wi-Fi hotspot isn't immediately available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.